In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your country in Namecheap step by step. This is a quick but important tutorial if you've moved to a new location, need to update your billing details, or want to make sure your account information is accurate. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Namecheap account using your email address and password. Once you're signed in, look at the top menu and go to Profile, then click Personal Info. This is where Namecheap keeps your account details, including your contact and address information. On the Personal Info page, scroll until you find the section labeled Primary Address. This is the address currently linked to your account. To make changes, click the Edit button next to that section. Now you'll see the form where you can update your address details. Find the Country field and select your new country from the drop-down menu. After that, make sure to review the rest of the address fields as well. If your move also changed your state or province, city, zip or postal code, or street address, update those details so everything matches your current location. It's important that all of this information is accurate, especially if you use Namecheap for domain registration, billing, or account verification. Once you've checked everything and made the necessary updates, click Save Changes to finish. Namecheap will now store your updated country and address information in your profile. And that's it. You've successfully changed the country on your Namecheap account. It only takes a minute once you know where to look, but it can save you a lot of trouble later if your account information needs to stay current. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Namecheap and website how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.